didn't start it yet.
Alright,
She started it.
ready.
What's cooking, everyone? Welcome back to Lou's Food Reviews. And today, we're at Isla Mujeres at, how do you say restaurant in Spanish?
No, wait.
Restaurante.
Restaurant.
Today, we're at Le Restaurante del Logazar. And we got the pancakes. Oh yeah, that's right. Anyways, going it. As you can tell, I've never had a bite of these before. Not half bad, kid. They're pretty good. Honey is nice and sweet. Pancakes are light, moist. On a scale of 2 to 13, I'm going to give those a 7.5. They're pretty good. Alright, that's all I got for you today. See you next time on Lou's Food Reviews.